Before we start this video, I just want to say that the truck is how it's going to where I'm going tomorrow. What I'm going to tomorrow, an SPL competition. And I'm bringing the damn Nikon with me. And hopefully we can get some reactions of people hopping in my truck. Well, there's more stuff to do still. Got the 2 Sundown 8s on the chair downstairs. Got some JL 6x9s coming in the mail. Got these off of Amazon. The 6x9s are far cheaper on eBay, so I got them there. Still new, just a lot cheaper. And I got this boom mat stuff, which might actually screw up how these speakers sound, but these boom mats ought to protect my JL speakers from the elements. The last original drivers that were in here, I mean, these have, don't seem like I've taken much in the way of damage, but the original drivers were killed from water. So I don't want to put my JLs through that. Although I will admit, we've been through some crazy rainstorms and these still look good.
You know, seeing all these marketing blurbs on the back of it and all this fancy artwork, it does make me a little worried. Whoa, got an airplane. Got an airplane? Sir, do you have a permit to fly over my house? Sir, stop.
As I was saying, due to the marketing blurbs on the airplane and the way it's done, it looks like the kind of thing you'd see at Walmart. It is a little worrisome, but I gotta have faith. I have never been let down by a JL product before. This is a lower end product, but usually their lower end stuff still really delivers. So I'm really hoping here. Guess I better do a song that's CD audio quality for before and after. Hey, check this out. So, you know, I got a lot of bass, right? And I always have to say K-Mag here, right? All around and around, the mag's been cutting into the door plastic. One of my friends is borrowing some tools and I don't got the bits to take those speakers out, so I gotta go make a road trip with a door like this.
Alright guys, we're going to do some wire translating for you in case you got a Ford F-150 and need to know what your speaker polarities are. So, left front positive is white solid. White solid connects to orange and green dots, that's your positive. And let's see, left rear positive is green solid. Green solid connects to purple and green, looking like Barney the dinosaur over here. Alright, I'll be referring to this video later, so. And rear right positive is solid purple. Solid purple? What the hell? Solid purple. There ain't no purple in here. Is that supposed to be purple? Is that supposed to be purple? We're gonna hope that's purple. If that is solid purple, then that connects to blue and purple. Alright, and where's the positive for the other one? Alright, go back here, a picture. Alright, and right front positive is solid gray from factory. So solid gray goes here. Solid gray connects to white and green. So if that doesn't help you, it will help me down the road. And then I won't have to pull my head unit out, if I remember I made this.
So I'm going to put the JL little screw bitey things in. Then I'm going to put our boom mat in. And then I'm going to put our speaker in. And then I'm going to...
And I'm going to document everything.
Yes, that is what YouTube is. Video documentation to help myself and others. Don't use these things. They suck. They suck. They suck. Just put this stuff in place and drill your holes using this thing because the paper bends. And, yeah, you know why this is crooked? Because these little these metal tabs are slipping. The screw can't bite on them and put torque. But then where I drilled a hole in the door, no problem. These suck.
Getting hard cause I'm pissed off as a motherfucker. Ready to slice you into chunks. I hear you talking shit from out your ass like you faggots do. So I called the homie Bloodshot, now we're here to fucking kill you fools. First we got you off the trip and lay you on the law.
Can't wait to have 6x9s in the rear. I don't actually have them yet, probably won't for a week. Alright, so this is the part of the show that I didn't show you me undoing because I was by myself, and believe it or not, this is not the easiest thing to do and it's not the funnest. So you gotta pull this out and up at the same time, fish it through this crack here, bring this up, fight this, get it over the lock. What the hell's happening here? Might be nothing. Might just be the snaps that need to be pounded together. Feels like we're hanging up on something. and all the plastic up here will break because Ford decided to make it out of plastic that decomposes in the sun. And believe it or not, trucks spend a lot of time in the sun. So whatever plastic bits are there. I drop this in, and then I just loosely set the screw in place because... Oh great, I fed that wire through now, and now there's pressure pushing back that I didn't have before. Yeah, so now I gotta snake this wire back through because the plastic mounts for these on both sides, these screws don't exist. These screws loosely just sit in here. I'm trying to just make sure it doesn't pop out when I'm going yee-hawing over a groundhog off-road or something. So you want to make sure there's not pressure pushing up on these wires, or they're not going to stay down. Then you put all these screws in here, and then you do a little, because this sucks.
Keep it the motherfucker, we about to get caught. Keep it the motherfucker, keep it the motherfucker, keep it the motherfucker, we about to get caught. Keep it the motherfucker, the crowd about to get shot. Keep it the motherfucker, we about to get caught. Keep it the motherfucker, keep it the motherfucker, keep it the motherfucker, we about to get caught. Keep it the motherfucker, the crowd about to get shot. Keep it the motherfucker, we about to get caught. Fucking demons out of me, staring in the mirror. Bullets in reality. A motherfucking sinner. It's like my shit that you don't deserve to live. Your religion, you don't deserve to live. These are the tales from the
She's smiling.
It hurts her throat.
Oh damn, you're running out in the Power Max. His decaf music actually isn't the best showing off mids and highs because they have the mids and highs turned down so much. It's bass boosted. No, it's treble reduced.
Shit, Thunderstorm, you think you got boom? Let me show you what I got. I definitely got to get a 4-channel amp going from the mids and highs, but I got to replace that alternator. I'm not running another amp until I get the alternator replaced. It's just not a priority right now. After this competition, I'll be cleared to take my 18 out. right now we're going to do a little demonstration. I'm actually going to demonstrate. I've been complaining, like, you know, I don't hit above 40 hertz in the cab, but it all hits in the cap above that. Characteristics of the box, and there's no way for me to funnel that through without butchering my back window, and I'm going to demonstrate that. The song's got a lot of higher bass, so listen.
Staring at yourself in the mirror, screaming out for help and nobody can hear you. Giving up on hope because nobody feels you. Pop a handful of pills hoping that it kills you. Maybe now they'll take you a little more serious. Quit looking away from the killer that's killing us. Levitation about the place that's concealing us. Raising hell to the surface.
The low doesn't hit at all in here. There was nothing for the low but leak noise. It's in